In this video, we will walk you through the complete ticket creation process, from accessing the support section to submitting your request and tracking its status. From here, all support-related actions can be accessed using the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen and selecting the Help and Support option. You will now be redirected to the Tickets page, where all your current and past tickets are listed. This page allows you to track progress, respond to updates, and review previous conversations. To create a new ticket, click on the Create Ticket button. The ticket creation form will now open. Begin by selecting the ticket category from the drop-down menu. Each category represents a broad type of issue, such as pickup-related concerns, delivery issues, billing discrepancies, or technical problems. Selecting the correct category is critical, as it determines how your ticket is routed internally. Here, for an example, we will select the Finance category. Once the category is selected, choose the most relevant subcategory. Subcategories help further refine the issue and provide additional context to the support team. Here, for an example, we will select the Issue in Recharging Wallet subcategory. You may be asked for a specific issue inside of a subcategory. Select the one which fits your issue the most. Here, we will select Wallet Showing Incorrect Amount. If your issue is related to a specific shipment or order, enter the relevant AWB number or order ID in the reference field. This information allows the support team to immediately identify the impacted shipment and begin investigation without manual lookup. Next, describe the issue in the description field. Clearly explain what the problem is, when it occurred, and any important context that may help in resolving it. Avoid using vague statements. Detailed descriptions lead to faster and more accurate resolutions. If applicable, upload supporting documents such as images, invoices, screenshots, or videos. Before submitting the ticket, take a moment to review all the entered details. Once you are satisfied with the details, click on Create Ticket. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your ticket has been successfully created, with the ticket ID and estimated resolution time. You may also be asked to provide feedback on your ticket creation experience. The newly created ticket will now be visible in the ticket list. You will be able to view its complete details, including current status and assigned priority. To give some further feedback on your ticket to the support team, select on the Update button. Here you can give any extra information and upload any attachments if required. To view any ticket communication, select on the View History button to see the entire ticket history between you and our support team. Here, we will create another ticket as an example. Category being Shipment NDR and RTO, and the subcategory being an issue with undelivered shipment. For AWB-based issues, kindly make sure your AWB is applicable for the category/subcategory for which you want to raise a ticket. Otherwise, you will not be able to raise a ticket. Here we can see that we have entered a valid AWB where there has been a delay in the shipment delivery. Now, we can give any feedback regarding the delay, any complaint, general comments, or anything which will help in the resolution. If the buyer shows indication of receiving shipment, a recording of the same, and a screenshot of the chats can also be uploaded to provide more clarity to our support team. After filling in the necessary tickets, your ticket will be created and you can view the ticket communication via the View History button. You can also create support tickets via the Orders tab. For example, if a pickup has been delayed from its scheduled time, you will find a Create Ticket button for that particular pickup order. Here, you can enter the issue faced on pickup, any remarks which will help in better identifying your issue, enter any alternate mobile number where the courier can contact you for the shipment pickup in case of any communication issue with your registered number. Enter your pickup location on the map to provide latitude and longitude numbers to the courier for better chances of pickup at your exact location. And entered a picture of your packaged shipment so that we have proof that you were ready for the shipment pickup process. After creating a ticket, for confirmation, we will ask you to update your contact information so that the support team knows to contact you on an available mobile number if needed. Thus, your ticket for pickup delay will be created. Similarly, you can create a ticket for your RTO order from the Orders tab if your RTO shipment has been delayed. Here as well, you will find a Create Ticket button for that delayed RTO order. You will be asked to enter remarks regarding your RTO delay. Kindly enter any of your complaints or relevant information regarding your RTO shipment delay before creating the ticket. All these tickets you create from the Order section can be seen easily in the Help and Support tab under the Open Tickets tab. As we can scroll down here, we can see that our recently created pickup delay and RTO shipment delivery delay tickets have been created, and we can track them as needed. You have now completed the ticket creation process. You can return to this section at any time to track updates or raise additional tickets as needed. Thank you for watching, and we're here to support you whenever required.